Augusttown anguish. The St. Andrew community tries to keep the peace after a shooting shatters more than a year without a single murder. Hello and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Wild West. Police reassure a community after people flee in the wake of a cop killing of 6 alleged gangsters.
Too expensive. The government gives one reason it rejected the UK prison deal.
Communication confusion. We talk to patients about problems understanding some foreign doctors.
Homeless. Fire leaves 30 wards of the state without a roof. This evening we'll tell you where they're housed now and what you can do to help.
And in the Business Day, inequality. Stunning new statistics about the gap between the world's rich and the world's poor.
There's also a ray of hope, sports, post commentary and weather in the Primetime News package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you make of the government's decision to reject the prison deal with the United Kingdom?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.